I seem to have some understanding of non-duality intellectually and some even experientially, where I lose it all and start acting and feeling like a proper self again in social interactions. I see this happen and awe of it, but it doesn't seem to help. Awareness is cultivated by itself in many cases, apparently not in this one. Is there anything you can suggest other than being aware of what's happening? Thank you so much. Well, just be honest. You see, that one that's saying, what can I do, what can I do? It comes from a place of fear, and it comes from a place of wanting to do something out of fear, out of anxiety, out of restlessness. And so just keep going into what you think. So see that the question, what should I do, doesn't come from a valid place. It comes from fear. So just then sit with the fear and allow that fear to come up of what should I do, I need to find something. So just allow it all to be. There's no great direction of how to get rid of it. It's an encouragement to just let everything come up as it comes. So what can I do is often I'm afraid. I need to do something now. I'm afraid of this. I'm afraid of what my future's going to look like. I'm afraid of what my past is. Hi Lisa, I came to realize that our thinking mind tries to extract symbols out of what appears to be happening in the world we can perceive with our senses. All it can do is generate and store symbols in the form of neural configurations. The symbols are either needed to bring something with correspondence with the symbol of good, or need to be used to keep bad at bay. The symbols seek to contain knowledge about life. They imply that things repeat themselves and not that every moment is new and unique. So there is a permanent selection going on. What tricked my mind until recently was I tried to find truth in the symbol and generate more complex symbols in order to better represent reality and get control of it. Of course, very futile. Now that I know my thinking mind to be more mere symbol factory, which cannot contain real life but only symbolic representations of something, some seeming appearances in life, I stopped thinking about the symbol machine seriously. What a relief. Catch my drift? Yeah. Nice. The symbol boat. Even everything I say is a symbol. Nothing is true. Everything is about what's happening. This. So the sounds arising. Ba 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 ba. This colour arising. And it means nothing here. That's the joy and the beauty of it. It means nothing. It just is. And then there's the thinking mind that can come in and understand it, but that's only thinking, and that's not reality. The thinking is based on something that we've made up in time, a story that we've made up about life in time. The true freedom is always what's happening, not what you think about what's happening. The mystery of what is right here, right now, this. Beautiful.